Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today's video, it's gonna be a video about the Google Docs on mobile phone, and I would like to show to you how you can restrict the permissions of the documents that you have. So you just need to open the Google Docs application, and you just need to open the documents that you want to change the permissions or the access of it. So after you open it, go click these three small dots on it, and then just need to take a look on this side, which is the share and export. Go click it, and then you just need to go click this manage access, and now you just need to go click this anyone with the link. If you want to change this document from editable into restricted, you just need to go click this anyone with the link into restricted. So even though people or persons that you send these documents have an ability to edit documents before, they will not gonna have an ability again to edit further to the documents. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.